Hey, what's up YouTube? Faded King 951 here at Area 51 Fireworks for Demo Day. I'm about to do a video on the Demo Day specials. Start here. The night assortment. It is 6 in 1 for $102.79. TMAST2. Next to that is Martin Bomber 24-1 for $85. Actually, I don't think I want to name them out. You can just look at it and you'll know what it is. But yeah. This is a good one right here. I recommend this one.
Oh, you have a case, huh?
Oh, instead the half flawless diamond, that's up there. Yeah. Actually, no, you're right. You're right. It was. This is a really good deal right here. The Standing Proud, 4 cakes for $60 or $56 basically. 500 grams, 25 shots. You can't beat that. But that's really good. Peacemaker is good too.
Well, in reality, you ask him or
Sauce Party. Here's the last one, the Breaking the Law assortment. Actually pretty decent. It looks cool. And yeah, that concludes the Demo Day specials here at Area 51. Look around real quick. Alright, Faded King out.